Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we will answer some of the questions, okay, asked by some of the community members. If you haven't asked, you can ask in the comment down, or you can mail us. Okay, so we'll collect your questions and then we'll answer in the next week. Okay, so maybe future. So if you're new to the channel, you can click on the link above. I'll just paste the entire playlist link, and you can browse through our entire other different compound playlist and other general playlist as well. Okay, so. I brought 10 questions today. So if I missed your question, you can wait. I'll just bring that later. Okay, so let's start. Let's get started with this session. Okay. So mainly, first question. Okay, so many of you know, like few members. Okay, so they were asking, why roots and returns. Okay, so it's like totally relevant, to the technology channel. Okay, so why roots and returns? So that was the question. And so when we contacted the members, so they asked this question. Okay, so some of them were asking this question, and then some of them unable to search in the YouTube as well. Okay, so if you search Abinitio into questions, like you will find our channel, but why this name. Okay, so the thing is, before we started the channel, like before we started teaching to Abinitio professionals, we started this channel for only in providing insights on. Okay, so providing insights on you say investing. Okay, so because like we believe in teaching. See, like we teach up issue, we believe in teaching at least one member in each family. Okay, so either like male or female. Okay, so doesn't matter. Like nowadays, female demon accounts are going are increasing now. Okay, so not only male. Okay, so if you are in your family, your wife may be like investing in a separate account. Okay, so not only every husband, or not only boy. Okay, so even the girl, even like female are like investing now rapidly, like. Okay, so they are increasing. Okay, so we started this channel like to provide insights on investing. Okay, so which we'll do it later. Okay, so apart from teaching Abinitio, so because this is a this is a part of part of our career. Okay, it's like a part of our career. uh, and this knowledge is been has been rapidly increasing since COVID 2020. Okay, so I was exposed to this environment before 2018 as well. Okay, so when I was in Bangalore. Okay, so I thought we could teach something. Okay, something new, some insights to people that they would find interesting. Okay, so it would make easier. Okay, so it would make life easier. Okay, so that's why we started. That's why we came with this name. Okay, so even this name you can apply to everything. Okay, so we can apply to if you have a strong roots, you have a better returns or strong returns. Okay, so if you have strong knowledge, you have a better better skills, or better returns. Okay, better like that. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so that's what I want to clarify. Okay, so now we are teaching Abinitio. Okay, so we will teach PySpark as well. Okay, so we'll talk general concepts as well. Okay, so regarding IT. Okay, so and then how to shape the career as well. Okay, IT life as well. Okay, so some mistakes or something, whatever. Okay, so whatever, and then in future we'll discuss about investing as well. Okay, so what we focus is here is about value investing. Okay, so this should be everyone should be well aware of this one. Okay, so be it it doesn't matter your gender. Okay, so you should know this to uplift your family. Okay, so that's important. We'll come back to this. Okay, so that's the name. So second question, can you create a playlist for Ubuntu beginners? Okay, so people were asking this. So I would say how should I? Okay, so how should I do? Okay, so you can ask you can tell me this answer. Okay, what should I do? Because simply asking to create a playlist for apprenticeship beginners, that's a like long journey. Okay, so that's a long journey to cover everything. Maybe I can start one with, okay, I can, for now I can answer, maybe I can start with one. Okay, so we're covering basic component, okay, basic component functions, okay, with the sample data, okay, with the creating sample data, okay, sample input and output data, okay, in and output data DM. I will try this. Okay, first we'll do with the some basic components. Okay, so I'll just try that maybe in the in the coming days. Okay, so I'll just create one separate playlist for apprenticeship beginners. Okay, because see, we don't have beginners. Okay, so we see people normally, companies won't recruit or won't hire freshers. Okay, so normally, if fresher is there, he will be in apprenticeship support project or like anything like that. Okay, so like after 2 or 3 years he will be exposed to other like more components and like that. Okay, so when you're 1 year or 2 years, you need to connect to the seniors for help. Okay, so anyhow I'll just do a playlist for this one, following this technique. Okay, so third one, can you teach with the GD UA? Okay, so see, thing is, even I wish to. Okay, so because see, even I wish to do this. Okay, uh, but the thing is, but we can't. Okay, so the thing, but so the reason is copyright. Okay, so we cannot just use the Abinitio tool and then show it to you through YouTube channel or anything like that. Okay, so to just like teach you. Okay, so that's what like these guys are doing. Okay, so you docs the Abinitio, these guys are doing. So they are providing video tutorials as well, so you can learn there. Okay, so we have some restrictions, that's why you know we can't able to show the GD. Okay, so that's why we can't able to teach with the GD. Okay, so can you create a separate playlist for initial skill? Yeah, sure. Okay, sure, on the way. Because we also know that is important. Okay, so these two guys are important for cracking the interview. So we'll do that. Okay, so meanwhile you can take help from AI. Okay, so are you taking any course on Abinitio? Yeah, people have been like they've been asking me this. Yes, I did previously. Okay, then I came to know, many people, they scammed, with the 10K, 20K like that. Okay, so when I started my course. Okay, so I was, I was no, I was handling for around 5K or something like that. Okay, I was like, see, I was like providing more value towards interview cracking. Okay, I'm not sure about teaching everything on Abinitio, because like teaching everything on Abinitio will take at least 3 months. Okay, so like at least more than 2 months. Okay, at least 2 months. Okay, so I don't believe in sitting with you and then teaching you for connecting with you for 2 months and then teaching you everything on Abinitio. Okay, that these guys, like, see, these people are already doing. Okay, so our student are already doing that, so I don't believe in that. But I take course towards interview cracking. Okay, so I was doing that, but nowadays, like, I'm focusing on this channel. Okay, so if you need interview cracking help or mock interviews. Okay, or guidance. Okay, or career doubts. Okay, so whatever, you can just please mail us. Okay, so we'll just please mail us. Okay, so I'll just given the mail ID here. I'll just answer to this. Okay, so previously I did. Okay, so yes, previously I did. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing. Okay, so my aim is to help you with you and train you, and then be a better candidate in Abinitio. Like, okay, so able to crack the interview, at least 8 out of 10. Okay, so that's my goal. Yeah. So what's this, like, another question? So this is a famous one. What's the future scope of Abinitio? I heard many clients are switching to modern tools. Okay. So to answer this, not really. Okay. So some clients like healthcare and that they switched, but banking clients, they still remain on Abinitio. Okay. So still remain on Abinitio. Okay. So and then you see Abinitio built is like cloud, like his own native cloud. Okay, they adapted to AWS, and then GCP, and then ADS. Okay, so the thing is, wherever you have big data, okay, be it banking client, retail client, or airlines, or you have semiconductor, wherever you have that big data, Abinitio will be used, okay, even in the future as well. Okay, so doesn't matter your cloud environment or anything like that for handling. And some people will tell, like, confused with the modern tools. Okay, the thing is, no, just imagine, okay, what is like modern tool. Okay, okay, so first of all, we are handling, we are ETL engineers. Okay, ETL, like, you guys are like, we are like support or developer, whatever. Okay, so who is your computer? Okay, talent, informatica, and then some cloud environments are there. Okay, but the thing is, Abinitio being is robust. Okay, so being robust, like, easily you cannot replace. Okay, so easily you cannot replace that. So you'll be having the work. So if you have migration work or support work or enhancement or whatever, you'll be having that work continuously. Okay, so for the next 5 to 10 years you'll be having that work, so you don't have to worry on the future scope. Rather, you just focus on learning Abinitio and then upskilling yourself. Okay, upskilling yourself on like Abinitio cloud and other environments. Okay, so that's the answer I will tell you now. Okay, so I don't see many requested question. Next one. Okay, I don't see many requested question solution, no, which I mailed you. Yeah, okay, so for this to add, no, like this one, yes, so that sure in our sure in our waiting list. Okay, so sure in our queue. Okay, so some we could solve, some we could solve, and some we couldn't. Okay, so whatever we solved, we have already uploaded in our channel. So remaining is on our queue, so we'll solve that. We'll solve, and then we'll solve that, and then we'll upload. Okay, sure. Okay, so please, thanks for your patience. Okay, but we have collected all the questions. Okay, so we have collected all the questions that you sent in our mails and everything. Okay, so next one, if not for basic components, will you be teaching basics of content AT, no continuous graphs, and then PDF? Okay, so yes, like for Abinitio beginners, we'll plan on a separate playlist for these items. Okay, so we'll plan this from the next weekend. Okay, so where can I learn Abinitio? Okay, so this one, you have this dots option. Okay, please register. So still so many people, like, they are not aware of this. Okay, so guide them. Okay, so if you are if you have colleague, like, don't know, like, who don't know, like, where to learn the Abinitio concept. Okay, please, guide them to register here, register with the organization ID. Okay, and then log in, and then you'll find a GD 100, GD 200. Okay, so many courses. Okay, so many free courses. Okay, so I don't know why people still, yesterday we have uploaded one scam video, right? So that's what I still don't believe why people nowadays are nowadays are paying 20K to 10K for people who are teaching again these concepts. Okay, so it's a waste of money. Okay, so if you want to learn completely on Abinitio, already, like, you can there are like free course available. Okay, in the Abinitio website, so you can go and you can log in there and you can study. See, those are like video tutorials. Okay, so you'll be like, you will learn a lot. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so see, this is the only one official channel. Okay, one official channel created by the Abinitio team itself. Okay, so authentic. Okay, so please follow this now. And then, how can I build my future with Abinitio? Do I need to cross skill? Yes, if you are a junior. Okay, I'll just okay, the given phases. Okay, if you are a junior, okay, if you are Abinitio junior, like, connect with the seniors. Okay, so prepare for interviews, and then jump. Okay, jump to other companies. Okay, switch to other companies, and then increase your salary. Okay, increase your income. If you are a if you are a Abinitio senior, you try to lead a team. Okay, you try to lead a team. Okay, so still you prepare for interview for advanced topics. advanced topics, and then you learn about cloud platforms, and any other cross platforms. Okay, and if you are a Abinitio lead, you have cross things. Okay, connect with them, and then understand business. Okay, okay, client, no, okay, so clients, okay, so many things are there, and then you have Abinitio architects. Okay, Abinitio architects. Okay, so these people, they, they have multiple, they work on multiple projects. Okay, so for each project, each project they design entire, entire flow. Okay, entire flow, and then they guide developers, lead developers, juniors. Okay, so about the structure of the project. Okay, okay, so see, these are the pathways. Okay, so if you're a support person, okay, I missed a support, Abinitio support. Okay, so if you're a support person, like, please prepare for the interview and then switch to development. Okay, okay, if you're a support or admin or a tester, okay, support, support or admin or, tester. Okay, if you are interested in continuing this, these, career change, you can switch to dev as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you can build this future. Okay, this future life with Abinitio, and then cross skill would be, I would say cross skill would be cloud. Okay, suppose you say AWS. Okay, or Azure. Okay, and then PySpark. I think this is like more than enough. Okay, so Python and AWS is like, okay, these two, like these two guys are like more than enough. Okay, so that's it. And then future you can go for AIM, like AML and then LLM. Okay, so for now this is enough. Okay, so these are things. Okay, so I hope answered a few of the questions. If I missed any question, you can blink, no, you can remind us, okay, in the comment below. Okay, so I'll just see you guys in another video. So okay, until then, tata, bye bye.